This is Bangkok at dawn, and there's an incredible prismatic effect happening here from the sun rising, obviously in the east to my right. And it's not a rainbow from rain, though there was rain last night. What's happening here is that the clouds behind the glass structures are receiving reflected light at dawn at just such an angle that it casts the spectrum through diffraction. I don't know where you'd have to be to see this. It's anywhere else, but I wonder if living in these condos you could see what has been an incredible effect this morning. A prismatic effect, not in a bow, so not a rainbow. Certainly a natural effect, dissipating now as the sun rises. And the angle is lost.